It's a CPA09-010A. So today I have Xbox 360 power brick and it's plugged in, but the power thing doesn't show. So we'll be having a look at it. Now inside it does have kind of hex key, but you can break it off. I do have some hex keys with that little indentation, so this little brown guy here is a fuse, and we should have continuity between these two parts right here and here, which we don't. It means that this fuse is done. It's a 6.3 amp fuse. You can see right there. It's a 6.3. So let's see if I replace that fuse. So I just shorted this out. We'll see what happens here. Probably don't want to try this at home. Could get on fire or whatever. But this will verify if it's just a fuse or if something more major. Okay, here goes nothing. Well, she blew up, that's for sure. So, I think I found out why that happened. Well, now I kind of have to repair this trace that kind of blew up, but I was thinking it was going to blow up the part that was bad because it has this either transistor in here, and then this transistor is shorted. Totally shorted. The rectifier seems to be okay, and we also have some sort of IC here. Oh my, it is also blown. Just shorted out. Oh. Well, this guy seems to be okay, I think. I'm not sure what he is.